Welcome to today's vlog, episode number 9. So I'll be talking about why training smart is a very essential thing to do. So I'll be doing a series of how can you train smart for different body parts like back, shoulder, chest, arms, legs. So stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so the first exercise for back training, right, that I like to do is pull-ups. So for pull-ups, right, there's a lot of people who do a lot of momentum on it. So it's not correct to do that. So how are you going to do the pull-ups, right? First of all, you want to set a good support weight for yourself that is not too heavy. So you want to set something that's maybe just nice for you. So maybe let's say your body weight is about maybe about 80 kg. You should be doing half, at least 40 kg. So for me, I will just put like maybe 12 or 19, okay? So that's the first part. Second part, right, when you do, make sure there's no momentum. So the second thing is that when you do your pull-ups, right, you need to make sure that your momentum is eliminated. So when you do, make sure to keep your body stable, then pull. Then come down slowly. Pull, come down slowly. Pull, come down slowly. Pull, come down slowly. You don't want to be doing something like that, like that here. So at all times, you want to be controlled up and down slowly. So the second exercise that's most commonly done wrongly is the T-bar row here. So why do I like the T-bar row, right? Because it's chest supported. You have the support for your chest. So when you do the motion, right, you are quite stable and then you can keep your body in the locked position. So when you do the T-bar row, right, you need to make sure that your chest is staying on the bench. Then you look straight ahead. Then you slowly pull the weight up. Squeeze your back, relax. Exhale as you pull, relax as you go down. Exhale as you pull, relax as you go down. So at all times, right, you got to make sure that your body is stable, not rocking. So it shouldn't be something like this here, like that, like that, like that. That's not correct. So the last exercise for doing your back, right, is the deadlift. So deadlift is very important for training your posture, training your lower body strength, and also making sure that you are able to lift up things from the floor and bring it up without hurting your back. So how are you going to do it, right? You want to be stable, keep yourself in control, bend down, grab the weight, slowly bring up, look straight, then slowly control and go down and bring up. Then slowly bring down, then come up. Then down slowly, then bring up. So when you're doing it, right, at all times, make sure your back is straight. So when you go down and come up, you don't want to be doing something like this. Or you don't want to be doing something like that. So these are the common mistakes that you will see when you do a deadlift. Here, you go down, then you lose the straight position, like that. Then you down, you come up. So if this happens, right, either the weight is too heavy or you cannot control the weight at all. So you should lower down the weight for that. So thanks for watching today's vlog episode number 9. So today will be the series about back training. The next few series will be about chest, shoulder, arms, legs and core. So drop a comment in the below section what kind of content you want to see. So watch this video, like, share and subscribe. And also there's other videos here like training shoulders, training chest, and also why you should strength train. Thanks for watching.